Hi everyone, welcome to another spelling lesson. Today we will be looking at a rule called the hard and soft C and G. So we're going to take this one at a time. First, let's look at what it means to be a soft C. So a letter C says S instead of K when it comes before an I, E, or Y. Everywhere else that C will say K. But when it comes before an E, I, or Y, it's going to say S. Let's take a look. Okay, so let's take a look at a C that comes before an E. Like the word cell, like a plant cell, okay? Cell. The C is coming before an E, so it's going to be soft, meaning it's going to be pronounced like a S. This does not say kel, it says cell. City. City. The C is going to be soft because it comes before an I. So this is the word city. Cycle. This C is a soft C because it comes before the Y. This C is a hard C because it comes after Y. It doesn't come before I, Y, or E. So this is pronounced cycle, like a wash cycle on your dishwasher or a car wash or perhaps your laundry. So cycle. What about the word cerebrum? Cerebrum, as we learned back in class, is part of the human brain. Here, the C is soft because it comes before an E. Cerebrum. Okay, let's find another I word. Okay, friends, I ran out of yellow C's, so I'm going to use red C's. Citrus. What does citrus mean? Citrus is a type of fruit, like lemon, orange, grapefruit, things of that nature. So citrus. This C is short because it comes before an I. Okay, and let's find our last one. How about the word cymbal? Like a cymbal and part of a drum. You know, the round metal thing that you hit and go tss, 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 tss. This is how you spell that word, cymbal. So the C is soft because it comes before a Y. Okay, so that is the soft C. Let's move on to the soft G. G usually says J before an E, I, or Y, just like our soft C. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these. Gel, like hair gel, or any other kind of gel that you think of. You know, a hand sanitizer is a gel. Gel is just kind of a thicker substance. It's thicker than water. How about the word giant? The G is coming before an I, so instead of saying G, it doesn't say giant, it says giant. Giant. Gym, like a gym where you go to exercise, or a gymnastics gym. So the G is soft because it comes before a Y. Let's see if we can find one more for each of these, and then I want you to go ahead and search for some. How about the word geometry? We know geometry. We have a geometry shelf in our classroom, don't we? That's the study of shapes, lines, angles, things of that nature. So the G is saying J instead of G because it is coming before an E. All right, let's look at, okay, this is an example of one that's not at the beginning of a word, the word magic. The G is saying J because it's in front of an I. The G is saying J because it's in front of an I. So magic. This doesn't just happen at the beginning of words. Let's look at one more for GY. So here we can see the word Egypt. Again, I ran out of yellow G's, so I have to use a red, and also I don't have any capital letters in my movable alphabet, so forgive me, this should be capitalized. But the word Egypt, we can see here that the G is coming before a Y, so it has to be soft. So Egypt. So what I want you to do is go ahead, look around for more words like this, keep them in your spelling dictionary. You can keep this rule as well as the rule that we learned before on a rules page in your spelling dictionary. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do, but see how many you can find and let me know if you have any questions at all. Okay guys, thanks a lot. Talk to you later.